Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about how we can integrate Google Sheets with email. So whenever a lead comes in, they will be getting an email from whichever email you want. So this can also be used with in conjunction of like when a person comes through FB leads, and from the FB leads the lead is transferred to Google Sheets. From Google Sheet it is transferred to their CRM, or maybe from Google Sheet it can be also we can integrate with Gmail so that we can send an email. So let's go on and create this app. So first you have to create a Megas app, and the first thing which you have to do is name it. So it's Google Sheet to Gmail. If you are having like FB ad campaign, you can have the name it. So campaign. So choose the I'll sheet. Choose Google Sheet. New spreadsheet row. Click continue and select your account. So I have already selected here. So if you can also have like a company name which they're coming from, their phone number. So for me its example is Naveen at, let's say, freelancer talks at gmail.com. Subject is hello there. If you can also add subject, company freelancer talks, and phone number will be like 9584836 okay. So this information which lead is submitting, and you will get information, any information, for example. So and you can click the spreadsheet here, and sheet 1, and click continue, and you will get samples. So samples, continue. So what do you want to do with this data? You wanted to do and like and send an email. So if you go and click Gmail here, and you want to send an email, so from which account do you want to send an email? It's I'll actually choose the same account, freelancer talks at gmail.com. So in this example I'll be sending the email to my email itself. So you can see here, you can to which email do you want to send the email? It's freelancer talks. So whatever the email which you're submitting, the email will be sent to that one. So you want to have a CC, you can add it. If you have like a BCC, you can add it. So from which from whom do you want to send? Freelancer talks at gmail.com. If you want a front name, it's um, Naveen Ranalak. If you want to have a reply to, and if you want to have a subject, you can actually add it here. If you want to have like a plain body type or an HTML, you can add it here. And also in the body you can just say hey there, and you can do personalization with this. For example, they have submitted the name, right? So hey there, it will show us hey there Naveen, and whatever name they submitted. So uh, I see that you are working with, you can add the company name. um, I would be happy to discuss about a project which you might be interested. So yeah, so in that also is the number, it's 95248 number where I can send you the details. So yeah, that's how. If you want to have attachment or label the mailbox, you can do it. And if you continue it, so phrase, so as you can see there is no emails, but this is a test email, so you should be getting one right now. Yep. As you can see, the hello there Naveen, I see that you are working for with freelancer talks. I would be happy to discuss about a project which you might be interested. Is number that I can send you the details. So what you can do is like I'll say Kishore. So for example sake, I'll have the same email. So in here, maybe a digital marketing. So digital marketing. So company will be AAPG kind of thing. And number will be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So I've updated it. So this is where one lead comes to my from through FB ads to my Google Sheets. So from Google Sheets, I've already okay. So so I haven't on this app, so that's the thing. So I actually on it, so it should be so this is where task history to so I have, as you can see, this is stopped because I stopped the ad, so it doesn't show you. Okay, 24 two of them have given them. So I'll again add one. It's like Kumar for example's sake, because I don't want to swap between emails. Um, Social media marketing. Okay, so it will be like fire tech and some random numbers. Some random numbers. So these are instance apps, so it will take like 2 3 minutes. So let's wait. So we have to wait and see. Go. Nice apps. This is this app. Also, you can do many other things. Also, you can also add this to your CRM sales plan. Get opportunity and already finding name. Okay, name is from Navi. So actually, let's not do it because this will be off when we edit it. So let's I'll not do it. Rohan copy. This will be designer. This will be Tesla. Tesla from Tesla. Random numbers. So these are information which we'll get from the FB ads. So let's just wait without doing anything so that we'll be able to see this app which is going to be running. Task history. We can just wait. So this is the overall process. You'll be getting you'll be able to send an email from here. So other than that, I don't have it should be done. Maybe I'll just cut this waiting part and I'll just rewind it back so that you'll be able to see just only when I'll be getting the emails. Mm. So that's all, guys. So I hope this is one of the examples of Zapier which you can use, and so this would be very useful if you want to send an email to the prospect within like 5 minutes. So maximum it will take 5 minutes, not more than that. So this is a very good step where you can integrate your every ads with email and everything. So you can also integrate with SMS too. So I do have actually know how to do it in US and other countries, top tier countries, but I have to yet to see. I have to research a bit on SMS providers who are Zapier supported so that I can do it, because if it is Zapier supported, actually easily do we can easily send the information in SMS and email and everything. So once the lead through FB ads come in, they will be getting an email and an SMS. So let's just wait. Or is it done? Satish, marketer. Geo. Some random numbers. History. I'll just wait for like 5 minutes. Yeah, as you can see, I'm getting emails, so it's running. Yep. So as soon as the data gets in, you would get an email. It's like, hey there, Rohan, I see that you're working. So start with Rohan and Satish. So these two are not done because we were doing that. I was editing the Zapier. This I was trying to do access my CRM, so I was not able to do it. So only the marketer and the designer was updated. So these two were like stopped because I was not, the Zapier wasn't running. I switched off because I was editing it. So you guys get an idea, right? So you get the heading as marketer designer here. So you get this name as Naveen Dhanalal, which you entered at the Zapier. And hey there, Rogan, I see that you're working with Tesla. I would be happy to discuss about a project which you might be interested. So is your number where I can send you the details, and you can personalize this with Zapier, and you can use this for like email marketing too. So I hope you guys learned great things. Hope you guys know how to like integrate Google Sheets with your Gmail, so that you can actually personalize emails with your prospect. So thank you guys, and I hope this video is helpful for you. So see you guys in the next video. Thanks.